Hi, this is Carolyn Massa, and I currently live in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've been only living here for a month. I was living in the New York City area for approximately 7 months, and prior to that, Paris, France for 3 years. And during the past 5 years, I've worked in analysis. I've worked as a training analyst. I've worked as a technical project manager, an application analyst, and also a curriculum developer. My past role that just finished at the end of January was a remote contract with Schlumberger, which is an oil and gas drilling company, where I would align sales data and spend data, put them all in harmony by creating a data lake, which I extracted from an Oracle ERP. And I pulled that in using my Power BI desktop tool. And I created reports that would influence the 5-year category management plan. So that's what I've been doing. I am searching for a role in data analytics. I'm triangulating on product analyst. I worked for a mergers and acquisition company prior to Schlumberger, and I had to transfer all their data from the seller to the buyer. And that entailed quite a bit of analysis. As you can see from my website, I have a lot of projects that I can share with a potential employer of what I did when I was performing this type of analysis. So I am seeking a role at this time. Other opportunities I've explored have been growth analysis, product analyst, application analyst, and similar types of thing. I've done significant amount of work in the healthcare space as well, where I would use reporting tools such as SSRS and SSIS extraction tools to take data from legacy systems and transfer patient data into new systems such as Allscripts, Cerner, Athena, and Epic. So that is me for now. Hopefully you will enjoy my resume and you'll be in touch with me. Thank you for listening.